Hello everyone, Ndewono. Welcome back to African Tales and Moonlight Games. In today's video, we will bring to you a special guest, Madam Gertrude, who will show you how to recycle grocery plastic bags into a durable and reusable shopping bag. Enjoy the program. Now, welcome Madam Gertrude to our channel. Madam Gertrude, say hello to the viewers.
Hello, Ndowono.
Madam Gertrude will show you how to use grocery bag to make a durable shopping bag. So this is how we recycle everything. We recycle almost everything in Africa. You will learn how to turn recycled grocery bag, which is plastic bag, into a durable shopping bag. So what do we need? First, we need a grocery bag. Then we need scissors. We need scissors. Okay, so now the next thing she will do, you can see that she straightened the bag. Okay, after straightening the bag, she will fold the bags. 1, 2, and 3. So after folding the bag, you can see she will use the scissors and cut off the bottom of the bag. Right. Then she will cut the bag into pieces. Okay, depending on how strong you want the bag, you can cut it into 4 pieces or you can cut it into 6 pieces. Right now, Madam Gertrude got 6 pieces. Then after cutting that, you will throw the handle away. So the next step is she will show you how to loop the bag into a yarn. So right now she's trying to open up the cut pieces. So after opening the cut pieces, then she will start to loop the bag. This is making it into a yarn. So you see how she's doing it? She will loop. Okay. See? 1. Then you're gonna keep looping the bag. Keep looping the bags. So when she's looping it, she makes sure that the loop, the knot, is very tiny. Okay, the next step, sometimes she mixes 2 colors to get a beautiful pattern when she makes the bag. So the first thing we use is grocery bag from Kroger. The next color is white, which is from Walmart. So she will do the same thing, straighten the bag. You can see what she's doing. She's straightening the bag. She will fold it into 4 and cut off the bottom of the plastic bag. You can see her cutting off the plastic bag. Then she then cuts the pieces into 6 like she did to the Kroger bag. So after that, she will open it up. She will open it up. You can see what she's doing. The first thing she does, she fold the bag. After folding, she will cut it. Then after cutting, she opens up the cut. And now she will start looping it. So what she does now, she wants to add it to this. She wants to join it to bring a good pattern. Okay, like we said before, she joins 2 colors to make a great pattern. You see right now, she looped, Kroger bag and Walmart bag together to make a pattern. So the first time, she looped 6 Kroger pieces. Now she's gonna put 6 Walmart pieces to create a pattern when she starts crocheting. So now you can see how she's looping. Let's see how she starts looping. Yes, you can see she's putting all the Walmart bags together. You all remember, when you loop, you have to straighten the knots before you pull it to tighten it up. See? So can you see what she's doing? Right now she loops. She uses her hand and straighten the knot and pull. She loops. Right here, she uses her hand to straighten the knot and pull. So right now, this is how you make the yarn. Then after making the yarn, the next thing she does is to roll it into a ball. You see, you can see her rolling it on her finger to make it easy for her when she starts crocheting. You can see she's making the ball. This is a yarn ball. So whenever she's ready, so this one is ready for crocheting. So I hope you enjoy the lesson. Next video, we will bring you the crocheting part. Say hello to everybody. Madam Gertrude, say hello.
Hello.
Say ndewono.
Ndewono.
Okay, say bye.
Bye bye.